Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix photo food log not recognizing meals on Ledger. So if Ledger's AI photo food log is failing to recognize meals, showing wrong foods or getting calories and macros completely wrong. So actually guys, if you have the issue, you'll need us first to update the app, okay, or to just look for an update for it. So just open the Apple App Store right here and then go and tap on your profile picture or profile icon that's located at the top right corner here. And once tapping it, you will need to scroll down and find the Ledger app. So that's one. And then just go and tap on updates. You can find it next to it on the right side, if available, of course. So if you can't see updates here, just go and tap on it. Okay. So nutrition and AI recognition features are updated frequently, and older versions may have recognition bugs. Reddit users and Facebook users extra reported improvements after updates and reinstalls. Also, guys, you will need to use better meal photos. So the AI meal recognition works best when the food is clearly visible, lighting is bright, the image is not blurry, foods are separated instead of overlapping, and packaging labels are visible when possible. Also, guys, you will need to avoid the complex mixed meals. So AI struggles most with homemade mixed dishes, sauces, bowls with many ingredients, and restaurant meals. So the community users reported incorrect matches like tacos, salads, or bowls being identified as unrelated foods with wrong calories. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.